spray bottle.
Yeah.
John? It's got a counter. Sweet. All right, a couple sprays of alcohol on the plate. I sterilize my paper towels. But just give that a little wipe so that surface is clean. This is rubbing alcohol in the tube. So I'm gonna just dip my tubes in there. Keep the handles of spray like that. I can even top that sucker off. And, you know, Wyatt met it. I like cleaning the hands. That being done, second wipe for overspray. These are the seeds that I sterilized yesterday, and they've sunk. They're kept at a moderate temperature. This is usually pretty easy. I might not even need the plate for this. Right now they've been soaking in just sterile water, and this is sterilized coca coir with a couple of drops of gel in it. And really all I'm doing, if you can see that, is I'm just going to push it down in there a little bit and release it. Tuck it in there. This is just regular seed planting, but with a tool. What's it look like down there?
A little dark, but
Can you see the seed?
yeah, it's a little dark.
Gotcha. Okay. But that's it. You know, there's you see a little bit of condensation, so that's enough moisture for that to germinate. That's a seed start. I'm going to do that again, except this time I'm going to start the hole first, and I'm just going to tap it in. So, alcohol into the sterile solution. Make myself a little hole first, just like that. Done. Then grab that guy. I just dropped it at the surface, and then tuck it in. So there we go. Alright, same thing. This is the kit I make for valuable and old seeds. I suppose I could have picked a better time to do this than lunch, huh? Someone's going to need this table. If Eric Shadlarski comes over here, tell him he can't go anywhere.
We could do some tissue culture on some of the.
He's forbidden. Prohibito.
Well, maybe we could do some of the salad that's out of here.
Yeah. You know what's funny is I used to clone the basil that came with our Thai lunches. You know, the purple basil that would come in, and we grew all that stuff forever. You know, I'd pull it the garnish and then would root it and end up growing it. So thanks. That's you know, keep this at a moderate temperature. I don't necessarily need the light till the plant starts to come up, but I'll get little seedlings in here. In the incident that the seeds don't actually come up, you know, sometimes they might choke. They kind of do the crook, the hook, where they're bent in half. Then we can still rescue it, because the whole strategy to this kit is we use chlorine to sterilize the surface of the seed first in a solution you haven't seen yet. Then they go into the sterilized solution that I did make. So that was prepared in the pressure cooker with a little bit of preservative, sugar, vitamin B, and of course once they sink, you know, they're fully hydrated for germination. If this fails to open up any more or stand up, I can still take that embryo out and transfer it to tissue culture gel, which is included in the kit also. So each kit comes with like 2 bottles of tissue culture gel for seed rescue. And if the seeds are all fine, they can use that tissue culture gel for starting a few tissue culture cuttings just for fun.
That's cool. Well, very cool.
Thanks, Oscar. You're a good photographer.